Okay, Algebra 1 students, this is an intro to Lesson 3.1 in the HMH Algebra 1 book, Linear Equations in Standard Form. So let's first talk about what is a linear equation. So here you can see on this left-hand side are a bunch of different functions, and I want you to study the structure of the functions. What kind of variables are there? What powers are there on the variables? And what numbers are there? So I'm going to show you these one at a time, and then I'm going to ask you to take a look and tell me what you notice, okay? So here's this first one. 2x minus 5y equals 8. And I want you to look at that graph and tell me what you notice about it, what you think about it, okay? Here's another one. This one is 2x minus 3y cubed equals 4. Okay, so that's this blue one here. Look at this. Look and see what this looks like. Okay, now here's another one. Y equals negative 3x minus 2. Okay. What does this line look like? Or this graph? Okay. Here's another one. X squared plus y squared equals 9. Interesting. It's a circle. Here's another one. X squared divided by 9 minus y squared divided by 16 equals 1. Look at these two curves. This graph has two parts to it instead of just one. And last but not least, we have 2.5x equals pi minus y. So let's get rid of these one by one so we can really take a look at this one. Okay? It's just a line, isn't it? Even though it's got pi in it. Okay? So what I want you to take a look at, I ask you guys to pause the video for a minute and come up with some conjectures about what you think, which ones of these graphs are linear equations, and what makes them linear equations. Okay, well, I've given you guys, hopefully you did pause the video and think about it. And so now let's go over these quickly. So you can see that which ones are lines. This one is a line, a straight line. This one is a straight line. And so is this one. Okay? So look at x, look at y, look at x, look at y, look at x, look at y. Okay? Now let's look at the other three. 2x minus 3y cubed. X squared plus y squared equals 9. X squared divided by 9 minus y squared divided by 16 equals 1. Okay? So you can see that all of these are curves. All right? This is a circle. This is actually a cube root function. You'll learn about those in Algebra 2. And this is a hyperbola, which you'll also learn about in Algebra 2. So I want you to look at the power. Okay? The powers of x and y, or x or y, one of the powers is greater than 1, right? Here, x is only to the power of 1, but y is to the power of 3. Here, both x and y are to the power of 2. And here, they're both also to the power of 2. Our linear functions all share the characteristic that they are all raised to the power of 1. So there you have it, young people. Linear functions are called that because their graphs are straight lines, and x and y, the highest power, is 1. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.